Can you see who screenshots your story on Snapchat? In this quick tutorial, I'll explain how it works and what you can actually check. First, open Snapchat on your phone and tap on your profile icon. Now, go into Settings by tapping the gear icon. Scroll down and look for the section called Privacy Controls. Here, you will find an option called My Data. Tap on it, and you may need to log in with your password to continue. Now, request your data from Snapchat and wait for it to be prepared. Once your data is ready, download it and open it. Inside the data files, you may find limited activity information related to your account activity. But here's the important part. Snapchat does not clearly show a direct list of people who screenshot your stories in real time. So if someone screenshots your story, you usually only get a notification at that moment, not a full history list. And that's the truth about seeing who screenshotted your Snapchat story. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and privacy tutorials.